Want to monitor your live internet speeds directly on your Windows 10 taskbar? Here is how to easily enable and completely configure a real-time speed meter in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and search for NetSpeed Monitor to download the free installer setup file from Softpedia website. Once downloaded, right-click the setup file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for select Previous version of Windows and click Apply and OK. Now double-click the setup file to install NetSpeed Monitor, following the on-screen installation prompts. After that, open the program file. A prompt will pop up asking if you want to add NetSpeed Monitor to the taskbar. Click Yes. Right after this, another window will appear asking if you want to enable traffic logging to record your daily and monthly data usage. Click Yes to turn it on, or No if you prefer not to track usage. If the speed meter shows zero speed or isn't moving, right-click on the speed numbers on your taskbar and select Configuration. First, under the General tab, select your active network card from the Network Adapter drop-down menu, like your Wi-Fi or Ethernet card, and choose your preferred bitrate unit, such as KB second or MB or secs. Next, click on the Layout tab to customize the font, text size, alignment, and how the upload and download values appear on your taskbar. Then head over to the Database tab where you can manage your data tracking logs, set up automatic backups, or change where your bandwidth history is saved. After that, check the Tooltip tab, which allows you to customize the hover over pop-up box to display extra stats like current session usage or daily data volume. Finally, under the Advanced tab, you can fine-tune expert network settings, update interval timings, and expert data logging preferences. Once you've tailored everything to your liking, click Apply and OK. If this complete tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.